Hello, welcome to the HR Diary. In this video, I will show you how to use the trim function in Excel for data cleaning. What is the trim function? The trim function removes all spaces in the text, except for single spaces between words and characters. Sound interesting? Let's get started. In dataset 1, I have 3 examples here. In the first example, there is space at the start of the text. In the second example, there are spaces between the words. In the third example, there are spaces at the end of the text. You can see it here, but if I click into here, you can see that there is this space from here to here. To use the trim function, type in equals trim, open parenthesis, then select the cell that you want to clean and type close parenthesis and hit enter on your keyboard. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the other cells. You will see that all the extra spaces are removed. So the extra spaces at the start of the text, the extra spaces between the words, and the extra spaces at the end of the text are all removed. Now let's move on to dataset 2. In dataset 2, there are few spaces between the words and characters. To use the trim function, again, type equals trim, open parenthesis, select the cell that you want to clean, and type close parenthesis, then hit enter on your keyboard. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the other cells. This time, you will see that it deleted all the extra spaces in the text, but kept one space between the words and characters. So if you want to remove these spaces and have it joined together, how do you do it? We need to use the find and replace function in Excel. Here's how it works. You need to go to the home menu, look for find and select, choose replace. You can, let me close this. You can also press the shortcut key Ctrl and H on your keyboard, and again this dialog box find and replace appears here. In the find and replace dialog box, there are 2 pieces of information that needs to be entered: find what and replace with. For find what, you need to specify the character that you are looking for. Here I want Excel to look for space, so on my keyboard I will tap on the space. So I got a space here. For replace with, we need to enter the character to replace the space. As I want to remove the spaces, I will leave this field empty. I won't type anything here. So this instructions is telling Excel to find each space and replace it with nothing. Replace it with nothing means Excel will delete the spaces whenever it finds it. So now, click on to replace all, right? Click on to replace all, and you will see that all the spaces here are removed. Now I click onto this. Okay. Alright, that's it. In this video, I have shown you how to use the trim function in Excel for data cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you are not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you'll get notified about similar videos that we upload. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the HR Diary channel.